I'll never. Could you like pull the ice out?
That's a big one going.
I think I see a turtle.
That's a big one.
Oh shit!
This is going on YouTube.
The ice has got to be just water too, right?
This will be known as beer taking a shit. Oh, there it went. Oh, there it goes.
You see that? Try the corkscrew. It probably won't work. Just pushing it down.
I'm amazed that it's still going.
Oh, mine stopped. I need that one. Let me just,
It doesn't look like it's stopping yet, dude.
That's nuts.
Let's go already. Alright.